Damien, it's great to see a new feedlot on your operation up here.
Yeah, it is, Ben. No, we've been playing around on a small scale for probably 7 or 8 years, and decided to get it fully certified and do it properly. So it's working well.
And for your genetic progress, it must be really good.
It is, Ben. It's giving us a bird's eye view on what the market's doing and what the carcasses are coming out at, and probably 99% of them are coming in MSA standards, and it's showing us our genetics, which are finishing easy and quick.
Simon, it's great to see you more involved with the operation down at Keith.
Yeah, Ben, no, it's been a big life change for me to get back out on the farm. I love it. Been working with Damien for 10 years now on more the administration side and reg-os and putting breed plan data in. Now I've actually got to learn the cows and the physical attributes of the females and running the day-to-day operations in the herd. So it's really enjoyable.
And Simon, being involved with the females now, it must give you an insight as to why Mandayen is so good across so many environments.
Yeah, definitely, Ben. I think the big thing I've learned about the cows and the cow herd down there are probably the things we don't measure with breed plan. The structural integrity of the animals, the way these cows can get out and walk long distances and forage. Calves learn early. When we're doing artificial breeding, we've got 8-week-old calves on their mothers walking long distances to come to the yards, and I think that was a real eye-opener for me to see that, wow, these cattle can walk and the structure is really, really good. And I think that's why, in turn, Damien's bulls have been able to go into tough areas. Like, we've got great support from the Mildura area, and bulls go out there and they can get out and chase cows and do the job for their new owners. And I think that all comes back to that Damien actually makes the cows do that down at Keith, and I almost feel it's built into the cattle.
So fellas, tell us a bit about the bulls that are on for this year.
Yeah, Ben, a lot of the same old proven sires are in there. We've got a couple of new bulls, one especially which we've got exclusively is Wolf Sander. His first handful of bulls are in the sale, really loving their growth, softness and muscle. They're looking very good, so we're very happy with how they're coming along.
Yeah, definitely, and I think, Ben, another feature this year is our calving ease line of bulls. There are a lot of bulls in there that have got potential to be very safe calving on maiden heifers. There's a big line. The main calving ease size we've used this year are Guardian 488, Roman Tow Truck and Extra Loyal. These are bulls we've used for years in our own program and found them to be really good on calving out of maiden rising 2-year-old heifers. So I think they can go out and do a job for the guys that want those sort of genetics.
Well, fellas, best of luck for the sale this year.
Yeah, thanks, Ben.
Okay, do you want this, Ben?
Hang on.